Sean,
I'm Raymar.
and today we're gonna try something new. We're gonna try to sneeze
Our eyes open.
with our eyes open and try to keep a straight face as possible. So check it out.
Go with it.
Sean. I can't sneeze, yo. My eyes are just tearing up.
Just go to move back and forth. Maybe it'll work.
It hurts. It hurts. You know.
Come on, you got this. It won't come out.
It won't come out, dude. My eyes. Dude, I'm crying. Look. I'm crying.
I don't think you did it right.
I can't do it.
You don't cry.
They put it up like really high in their nose though, so like.
It's not working. I'm just staring up.
It works.
It doesn't work.
You try again.
It just makes me want to cry.
Yo, my eyes are mad. Like,
It's watery. Yeah. Oh, this game sucks.
I know. Doesn't work.
You have to go up high, I think.
Oh god, this is so
It's just making your eyes watery, so right?
I can't do it. It won't come out though.
I thought you can do that. It's not work. Real.
I don't know. This is pissing me off. It's not working anymore. It won't even go up because these things are so long.
I got it, yo.
Oh crap.
You got it.
Oh my god, dude, my eyes are so skinny. You just have to keep like pushing up, dude.
For real? It makes my eyes hurt. Like watery.
I know, but it works.
Like, how far up?
Well, up in like the beginning of
Holy crap. I don't think I can do it. It won't work. Just make my eyes watery.
we advise you to try this. It's pretty fun.
Yeah, even though I can't do it.
I'm gonna try again because I feel like I'm about to sneeze again.
It's so weak, yo, if you can.
Oh man, wait. Let's retry this.